going to show you how to sew on your logo. So take whatever yarn you've got left, just split it so that you can use one strand of it, and then thread that through the needle. Now the needle needs to be a fine needle if you've only got small holes in your little logo. Now these little logos you can get from Etsy or from Amazon. Now you position where you want your logo to go, make sure that the needle can go through the logo, and then we're set. So if we say it's going to go in the center of that cable, what I need you to do is just secure the end of the yarn like that, and then bring that little logo across, thread it through, get it positioned, and then put it through there. And just tightly, just do it nice and gently so you don't rip the hole. Then turn it over and just go through the back of it. Secure a little bit again, and then what you're going to try and do is come up underneath the hole on the other side, so as like that. Now I just stretch it a little bit just to make sure that it's sitting in position, then push it through, and then again gently just test it. No, that's not great. Yeah, no, so that needs to be a wee bit looser there, so that's better. So don't pull it too tight, then and then just secure it there. And that's your logo one.